Day 45 on the 6th of January 2025. I was supposed to build those demos today. Unfortunately, that did not happen. This week and next week, especially next week, is going to be crazy because we are planning an event for the church. So, yeah, I have a lot of responsibility there in that pie. So, I have no idea. I plan my days, but there's always something that happens or something that needs our attention for that event. So my days are super unstructured. I try to structure at least the morning so that I get the important things done, like spending time with God, sharpening my mind a bit, and exercising. But after that, the days are crazy. But Joshua and I spoke again, and we actually said we should not focus on a certain type of car dealership, but other two types of car dealerships, but more on that further down the line. So we had that interesting conversation that also made that I had to pause on creating the demos because now we are focusing on different types of car dealerships. So now we need to research those car dealerships and get the information, get the websites, all those kinds of things, so that I can actually be able to build these demos instead of me just building 10 to 15 demos for car dealerships, but then we don't focus on them at all, or those types of car dealerships at all. So now it's going to take us to do some research, and then I will be able to build the demos. So yeah, it's a great learning curve. It really is. And with my mind and Joshua's mind, our minds work like this. We will be on a certain path, and then we will just get this epiphany, and we will have this idea and something that we need to try, and then we talk about it, and then we try to implement it. We see how it works because we are still in the beginning stages of Cape Connect AI. I mean, we started with Cape Connect AI about two months ago. So we are still in the beginning stages, the testing stages of everything to see what works, what does not work, why this type of client is better than this type of client. So there is a lot of experimenting still to do before we have a fixed blueprint. There are certain things that covers the basis that we need to have in place, but there are a lot of things we are also still experimenting with. So that was the quick update for day 45 on the 6th of January 2026. Like, share, and subscribe to stay tuned for this journey to Jericho. Cheers.